guys, we're gonna try this kind of fridge. It's already been updated from 3 updates. What? What? It's 3 updates. It already been 171. Can't find the basic. Are you this one? Oh, he! First we need to get the basic fridge. I got. Yes, basic fridge, now rock fridge. Behind this box. Well, I got it. The rock fridge. Now, the doctor fridge. In the city. In the hospital. In the hospital. In the hospital, Dad. I found it. Doctor fridge. Now, the new fridge. It is the retro world. Retro world. Now, inside this house. That house. Now, the chef fridge. In the fridge, Donald. There. Go on. Go here. 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 Yeah, I got the chef fridge. Now the sleep fridge. In the city. Yes. Sleep is in the middle of the city. What? Where we go there? Why am I going there? I'm the princess. Sleep princess. Sleep it or sleep. Yeah. Now, the follow me to the destroyed car. Did you find something? It's a fridge. Dad, what happened to this car? It's broken. It's a bed. It's just really bad. Help! Now we need to get the cactus fridge. The sandy desert. This will be me first. Help! Oh, I got it. Now get the mustache fridge. It's here too. But in that pyramid, there is the salon. Here, at this, it is the mustache. Now, that the sunglasses is outside. The sunglasses in the oasis here. Not that fridge first, it's not an AC. Maybe it's the AC. The sunglasses. Sunglasses here. Sunglasses fridge. Now, frozen fridge is in the Snow Wedge Mountain. In the igloo. Now we need to get the coffee fridge. It's in the office building. Crumpy and what he's working. Now let's get the rich fridge. Rich fridge is on top. Even place. Now let's get the chest. In the chest board. The chest. Let's get the party fridge. The big world. Yes. Let's get the dog fridge. Is in the dog I am. In the dog I am. Dog I am. The flower pot feed in the rest of the world. Now walking. No. Maybe it's in the free city because we don't have water. We need water boat. Should I go in the city now? Yes. How about in the city? We cannot walk on water if we don't have it. Found someone? Daddy, kita mo nag-sprint ako. Get the yellow fridge. Daddy, desert. Yes, it's there. On top of the pyramid. Here. I got the yellow fridge. Now let's get the stop sign fridge. It's in the Street City. Yes. But I thought it was a bridge. Oh, did you see a stop sign behind the factory? Did you find a stop sign? Is it a fridge? Now, let's get the shop fridge. Over one of the behind of. Where did I got the rare one? I got the rare. Maybe I find one of the behind of these. Accident. Shop fridge. Get reindeer fridge. In the snow. The North Pole. North Pole? Yes. North Pole is here. Climb the top of this hill. Yes, it's the last fridge from Easy. Easy peasy. Bye. See you next time. Let's get all the video the next video.